The folks at Cadillac say that the sedan is not dead. Their solution? This is the CT5. Okay, we are a little bit bummed that they killed the CT-SV, but anyway. The CT5 evolves the design cues of the larger CT6 full-size model that include a shield-shaped grille now flanked by new horizontal headlamps framed by vertical daytime running lights. It also features this notched C-pillar, which is a new design element for Cadillac. I was going to reserve judgment until I saw it in person, but honestly, I still think it looks really thick, and it does nothing for visibility. Okay, neither does that guy's head, but you see what I mean? Look. The CT5 is built on a completely new architecture. It has a fully independent suspension with McPherson struts up front and a 5-link setup in the rear, along with 4-wheel disc brakes and electric assist power steering. Inside, the CT5 offers seating for 5 passengers and a modern, clean design consistent with the exterior shape. The controls look simple. I do like the gauge cluster design here, but some of the switchgear, some of it's good, some of it feels a little cheap GM-y. Overall, I feel like it could be a bit more luxurious in here. If it is the Cadillac of sedans, it literally is the Cadillac of sedans. The CT5 will come with a choice of 2 engines, a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 3-liter turbo V6 that's smaller and subsequently more efficient than the 3.6 in the CTS. The standard 4-cylinder engine produces 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque and is equipped with direct injection. The V6 makes 335 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque and also has direct inject technology. Both engines are mated to a new 10-speed automatic transmission that drives the rear wheels, though all-wheel drive is an option on all models, as is Super Cruise, which is Cadillac's amazing hands-free cruise control function. The CT5 will be offered in luxury, premium luxury, and sport models. The sport variant gets dark molding and dark mesh for the grille and front intakes. Cadillac's Platinum package is available on the premium luxury and sport models and includes an exclusive 2-tone Sedona jet black color scheme with leather upholstery. The front seats are heated and ventilated with a massage function and 18-way adjustment. Other features include carbon fiber trim accents, magnesium paddle shifters, and a thicker rimmed steering wheel. While Cadillac has yet to release fuel economy numbers for the new CT5, expect them to improve over the CTS's 25 combined MPG for the 4-cylinder model, thanks to the use of that new 10-speed automatic transmission. The CT5 goes on sale this fall, and pricing has yet to be revealed. If you're looking for a smaller Cadillac of sedans, then the CT4 is expected to come shortly.